Mama, he ordered me to take him to where Odumeje stays. When I refused, he rushed into the house, brought out a cutlass and threatened to cut off my head.
Odumeje kwa? Who is Odumeje? Who is Odumeje? What's in here?
Mama, he's my boyfriend. The man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
How could you just make such a mistake? You know how deadly your father can be. I thought you talked about this and you told me that you're not going to talk about Odumeje to your father now.
So I couldn't hold it anymore now. I can't keep it from him for this long. Mama, he ordered me to take him to where Odumeje stays. When I refused, he rushed into the house, brought out a cutlass and threatened to cut off my head.
Odumeje kwa? Who is Odumeje? Who is Odumeje? What's him here?
He's my boyfriend. The man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
How could you just make such a mistake? You know how deadly your father can be. I thought you talked about this and you told me that you're not going to talk about Ojumeje to your father now.
So my couldn't hold it anymore now. I can't keep it from me for this long. Mama, please, can I stay with you for small while my father's anger subsides?
As you can see, we are about going to the market before you came.
You and you can go to the market. I'll stay with our okeke. I'll come and join you later.
It's okay. Take care of yourself. You get a guy. How could you make such a mistake now? Now your father will be going around now to hold that problem.
What is this now? What's happening? Is it wrong for me to fall in love? At my age!
You know who your father is? You know who your father is?
That useless daughter of yours thinks she can run away up here? I was only gone 6 months to Ghana. She already started dating and having an affair with a mechanic. Odo yewo. Odo menkwa.
Please, just calm down. Don't get yourself worked up because of this.
Don't tell me to calm down. It's all your fault. If you had looked after that girl properly, she wouldn't have stooped so low as to date a mechanic. My own daughter.
Don't just try to put the blame on me. It's all your fault. By the time you were traveling, you said you won't stay for a long time. But you stayed for 6 full months, leaving me alone with her. Ebi no na agba, odo mi se, odo kredo, odo yemi, odo nukwu oye. Ngwanu, odorogono.
Oh, it's all my fault now.
Yes,
right?
Nine. All your fault.
Okay. We shall see to that.
Odorogo.
Is it wrong to fall in love? Is it wrong to find your missing ribs? I can see a crime in this. Leave us alone, leave us in peace.
I'm sorry for what happened the last time. You know how it is. You know I'm a contractor, you know that. Yeah. And this is where I eat from.
That's why I came to you.
I know. You're my hobby, you know. There's a house I'm going to take you to tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah? From there, you'll be a full-time contractor.
Okay.
You start seeing some dough.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Right. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. But can we start today?
No, I said tomorrow. I'm going to take you to a house. It's a new house. Yeah, you go start from there. Yeah, you'll be a full contractor. From there, you'll be seeing small dough. It's not small dough. You'll be seeing big doughs. You can wear Gucci and Louis Vuitton. You know, that's how I roll. Yeah.
Yes, I know how you roll. Me, I've not started rolling like you.
You must start rolling.
Not yet. See, my problem. I don't even want big. Just. Can you guarantee me that once I start working there, I'll start seeing small something immediately?
101%, bro. You're going to see big. More than you expect. Yeah, 101%. You know, you're my homeboy, man.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome, man. What are friends for, man?
Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you
God
too,
bless
bro.
you.
Bless you.
So what time should I come tomorrow?
Let's say 8.
8?
Yeah. Yeah, be here by 8, so we can go there.
I'll be here by 7. I'll just be coasting around now waiting for you.
I believe you, bro. Yo, Fukuma!
Okay, you need to do something about this. I mean, how long are you going to continue to stay here? You need to go home. Your father will not kill you.
He will. He will kill me. I know how deadly my father is.
Why don't you let Odumeje know what's going on? He might provide a solution to this now, eh?
I don't want to let him know. Because it will instigate more fear in him. He already told me of how my father always visited him in his dream, warning him to stay away from me. Now all that is coming to reality. I don't know, dreams will come to life.
How do you mean? I mean, what you're saying is strange to me. Can you please explain further?
She loves me, I love her.
Wait. You mean the man with that description is your father?
He is. As we speak now, he's in Ghana to visit my brother.
Wait, let me just confirm. Let me confirm. Bearded man. Is bald-headed.
Yes.
Right? Dark. Not too tall.
Yes, yes.
Mean face. Hey! Same man I've been seeing in my dreams.
He's the reason I didn't go to. It's not as if there was no money. There was money. But you just don't want me to be seen around men. Yes, he said that even if I'm to be seen with any man, that the man has to be very rich.
This is becoming scary. It's becoming scary.
I can see your cry.
You see why I don't want to join them. The question now is, what are you going to do as assistants? I'm actually thinking of going to check on him.
Hello.
Nan, welcome.
Thank you. Okay, this one your face is like this. I hope everything's alright. Are you sure? Alright. Isoma, do you have any food at home? Because I'm so hungry. Alright, I'll be inside.
Perfect, as you can see, my first husband is good. I have something to do. Okay?
How are you?
Fine. Wait a minute. What are you doing? Mama, you are drinking garlic?
I'm meeting my son.
Where is Odumeje? Odumeje!
He's not in.
Odumeje!
I said he just left now.
Ah.
Hello. Good afternoon, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine.
And how are you?
Ikenna.
Oh.
Kedu? Mama, how are you?
Fine, oh. Come and eat.
Mama, where's Odumeje?
Oh, Odumeje? He just left now. But he said he's coming to your house to give you part of the money you gave the police for saving him from the police arrest.
No, now.
Oh.
I told him not to bother giving me back the money.
Ha. So this is why Odumeje asked me to lend him 10,000 naira today, Tata.
Did you give it to him?
That's my friend now.
Oh.
Aqua. Can I have my money now? That's 10,000 cash.
Which money? I'm not with it. I'm not even seeing Odumeje.
Hey.
Mama, please let me hurry and meet him up. Please.
Oh, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. No.
Mama, I don't like this thing. Odumeje should come and give me my 10,000 naira. Odumeje nanka, aba no nya akpa, opono zo bede nka. Odumeje ya okpa mu gochiri.
I want to bring that akpa. It's your friend though. Bo bata lo na akpa ba. Oh.
Okwu abagokwa na okwu ego.
Come on, eat.
Okeke, I will come or it's me or Odumeje. I have part of your money. Good evening.
Hold your greetings. So you are the good-for-nothing loafer that wants to spoil my only daughter for me, eh?
No. I have not gotten to that though. I don't want to spoil her.
You don't want to spoil her?
No.
It has reached to the extent of sneaking around my house, looking for her, calling her.
I just want to give her something.
You want to give her something?
Sorry. I will go.
It's not as if you are what? Okay.
I just want to give her something.
So you're the young man that wants to see my daughter?
Odumeje.
Just 1 minute, let me call her.
Thank you, sir. Just tell her I'm here. I want to give her something. See? You will call her for me. Let me just give her.
It's okay, yes.
Come!
Thank you, sir. Come!
Odo yewo, Odo menka, Odo mensaya, Odo prima, Odo nikwaye. Nonsense. Let me see you around my house again.
Come back! He will call her for you.
Idiot.
Man, you got Odogu. Odogu came.
You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, oh. You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, oh.
Why is your face like this?
I'm just coming from your house. Your father chased me out in the cutlass.
What?
Why? So that I should never come to his house again to be free.
Now I'll have to confront this man.
Stop.
No, this is getting too much.
Stop. You don't pay evil for evil. I'm sure if you go there now, something else might happen. I would advise you go home with your man. Tell him everything so that both of you can come up with a solution to this. I have to go and see my mother and sister at the shop.
It's fine, Isoma. Thank you for being so supportive. Thank you.
What are friends for? Dumeje, please take good care of her. Okay? I'll see you later.
You know they remember the past. Because you get money, everybody can't be nonsense for your eyes.
This is 20,000 naira. Part of the money I'm owing you. I was able to get 10,000 naira from a friend of mine. Then the other 10,000 is from jobs that I did. Because just hold this one. I'll still give you the balance.
You need this money more than I do. Please hold it. I was at the house earlier and I saw Mama soaking gari. If there was food in the house, she won't be out there soaking gari. So I suggest you hold it and make good use of it. Or perhaps you can give some to me. I'll go to the market, buy food stuff and make food for you and Mama to eat.
5,000, yes.
It's much like 4K.
Thank you.
It's fine. I'll see you later.
Should I come with you?
No, there'll be no need. Just go home and rest. I'm sorry about what happened earlier.
Take care.
Take care.
Wonder whether you say your mind to the devil. See how she dey act to show say you know mind. You just dey do anyhow. Why? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you get yo? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you be? Which kind mind you get yo? You know they remember the past because you get money.
Hey! See with your eyes. She's the one. I've seen her. Dumeje. So it's true. So it is true you are cheating on me with another woman behind me.
My lord, who is she? And what does she want here?
Don't worry, I'll take it. Ada. Whatever we had ended the day you left for the city. You went there and you forgot about me completely. You moved to other men. Alright? So why are you coming back here to disturb me? Okay?
Dumeji, you are so shameless. Even if you want to cheat on me with another woman, at least someone very clean and neat. Not this village girl. Not this village Mbeke or Pasela.
Watch your tongue. I won't stand here and watch you insult me. Dumeji, talk to her.
I'll take care of this. Ada, don't get me angry. Can you hear me? Don't push me to the wall. You came here and you told me that you were going to the city. Huh? You think I didn't hear what you told your friends?
Me?
That you're done with me. Huh? Now make
No.
Shut up. You're going to look for a rich man and you settle with. You think I didn't hear it? Huh? You went there and you followed all other men. Or didn't? Leave me alone now. Hey. Listen to me. I have a problem. Well, I know. Abagogi. Yes, leave my house.
You're asking me, Ada, to leave your house because of this thing?
Dumeje, is Ada you're talking to like that?
It's me.
Am I supposed to be talking to you? If I count to 3, you're still here. 1.
Hey! Let's
Dumeje, because of this game, me.
Who is she and what does she want?
It's not I'll explain.
You never told me you had someone in your life before me. I'm listening. Go ahead and talk.
Okay. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. But just like you said, I had, not have, had someone. That means it's all over. Her name is Ada. Okay, I dated her before I met you. One day she came here and said she was going to the city. I don't know what she said she was going to do there. She went there, she followed other men, not just one man, different people, because she loves money, which, you know, I don't have that much. So she left, and she moved on with her life. Me, God bless me with you, I moved on with my own life. Now she has heard that we are together and she's coming to make trouble. Oh, it's nothing. Okay?
Are you sure she's not going to pose as a threat to us?
Threaten who? Me? Don't let up. It's nothing. Oh? Don't bother yourself. It's nothing. Believe me. Huh?
It's okay.
I'm sorry, oh? Sorry for you.
Let's eat.
I hope you still enjoy the food.
It's already getting cold.
I'll make it hot for you.
Hey! Hey, what is your whim? Ada! I can't believe you could not do anything to that girl. You left that girl to be enjoying with your own man, Ada, and you couldn't do anything.
Let me ask you, what would I have done?
Fight.
Fight who?
Ada, don't tell me you're not woman enough to fight for your own man.
Ada, you really fall our hand.
Yes.
No. You should have allowed us to deal with her right there.
Are you not my friends? You claim to love me, you claim to do anything for me. So why didn't you just fight her there? I should go and fight her so that the major will spoil my face, Abi. What's going on? Are you praising your voice? What's happening here?
Amara, you need to see what happened today. Ada could not fight for her own man. That girl was right before us, calling Dumeje my love.
Hey!
And Ada kept quiet.
Hey! I put my hand. Let me ask you something. What should I have done? See, you do what you're asking. What? I was already. Why didn't you do it then? Why didn't you fight her? I was already starting. Why didn't you fight her then? I should have fight her so that you may just cry my face. I should leave me.
It is a lie. When we are there, we would have killed them.
Oh, there.
I have to go back, Joko. And we will go back.
I don't even know what to say.
You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, no. You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, no. If not cry, make she cry.
So you are here reading newspaper when our only daughter is out there. She has not come back ever since you chased her out from the integrity. As if nothing happened. You are relaxing.
Why not you say our only daughter and not our only child?
I don't understand what you mean.
Is it not obvious that your stupid daughter is out there somewhere frolicking with her so-called lover boy? Eh?
How do we bring back our daughter? That is all I'm concerned with. Whether she is enjoying out there or not, I don't care. Nine.
How will I think of bringing our daughter back when I don't even know where that idiot that is harboring her stays?
I don't know where he is either. But we can always ask around. Or better still, you can go to Enebene's workshop. That's where my daughter said that his own workshop is located at.
Odo yewo, Odo minko, Odo mensa, Odo nibuae. Listen, I am not a jobless man. To do that, whenever Akeke gets tired of frolicking with that idiot, she'll find her way back home.
Nine. But she's on.
Enough, woman! Let me read this paper in peace. And I don't want to hear any more of that topic. Check it! Odoni Buae. Odoni Buae. Odoni Buae.
Nah, this thing you're doing is not good, though. It's not good, though.
If not cry, make she cry. If not die, make she die. I wonder whether now your blood though she be. If not cry, make she cry. If not die, make she die. I wonder whether now your blood though she be. You too wicked. You too get mine. I wonder whether you say your mind to the devil. See how she dey act to show say you no mind. You just dey do anyhow.
the only professional mechanic in Abani town.
You can say that again and again. Njoko, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. If I remember, since I have been operating my mechanic workshop in this vicinity, you have not given me this courtesy of visiting me. And to what do I owe this? Or has your son bought you a car and you need me to attend to it?
Far from it. But my car will arrive very soon.
So, to what do I owe this visit?
I came to see one of your boys. His name is Dumeje. Dumeje, that's what they call him.
Dumeje is not my boy. He is my partner. But right now, he's no longer here. He has left this workshop. The other day, the police came to arrest him. And if not for your daughter, by now he will be languishing in jail. I mean, languishing in jail.
How do you mean? How did my daughter save him?
Somebody brought a car to the workshop. I handed it over to Dumeje. Dumeje went into the car and scattered the car. Now the owner of the car came for his car and the car would not even start. So he called the police. Now when I checked the damages in the car, he had caused a damage of 60,000 naira. 60,000 naira. Now the owner of the car was furious. If not for your daughter, who had the magnanimity to bring 60,000 naira to bail Dumeje from the police, he will have been languishing in jail by now.
I see. Okay, but how can you help me locate where this young man lives?
No, I can't remember where he stays. It's been a long time since I went there. But I think one of my boys knows where he stays. He will take you there.
Please, let him take me there now.
I hope all is well.
All is well. I just want to know where the young man stays, that's all. All is well.
All right. Osandu! Oh, Osandu, come. Okay. Now, take this man to Dumeje's house. And hurry up and come back. You must finish this car today.
Okay, sir.
Dumeje's house.
Okay,
Okay. The motor. Do you drive?
Huh?
Sorry, that place is far.
Shut up and take me to where they asked you to take me to.
Sorry, sir.
Odo yewo, Odo menko, Odo meisai, Odo prima, Odo nibwae. Go ahead and take me there.
Sorry. What kind of catastrophic language is that? Odo what? Prima. This man is eccentric, very eccentric.
Osandu, buy me a pack of Benson when you're coming back.
Is it wrong to fall in love? Is it wrong to find your missing ribs? I can see a crime in this. Leave us alone, leave us in peace.
Where could he have gone to? Eh?
What have we done wrong to you?
Where could
This hatred so
Where could
much
he have gone to without informing me?
Why not leave us to leave? She loves me, I love her.
Eh?
Don't tear us apart. This is the only road we can go. Leave us in peace. get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, oh. You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter.
Okay. This is their house. This is where he lives.
Okay. You can go now.
Okay, sir.
If not cry, may she cry. If not die, may she die. I wonder where down now your blood do she be. You too wicked. You too get mine. I wonder whether you sell your mind to the devil. See how she dey act to show say you no mind. You just dey do anyhow. Why? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you get yo? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you be? Which kind mind you get yo? You know they remember the past because you get money. Everybody can't be nonsense for your eyes.
Ada, if you ask me, I would advise you let them be. So you don't be like you're fighting an already lost battle.
How do you mean, Isioma?
As dreaded as fearful Mazinjoki is, he won't be able to stop this too because it's obvious they are in love with each other.
Me, I know Mazinjoki very well. He would never allow that to happen. Take your time.
So, Isioma, in less than 3 months that I left the village to the city, you already know about this, Isioma?
I'm not a child anymore. At my age, I should be able to know when two people are genuinely in love with each other. Besides, it only takes love to make a girl give all her savings and as well the money she trades with just to free a guy. I'm sure if it were to be you wouldn't do that. So just let them be and move on with your life. After all, there are other men in the city where you live now.
If you ask me, Isioma here is making sense. Yes, there is sense in what she's saying. Consider it.
Shoma, so even you are suggesting I let them be? How? Tumeche is my man.
Yeah. Oh, I thought we are all friends. We all are best of friends. And the only thing and the best thing we can do to ourselves is to tell ourselves the truth. And that is what Isioma is telling you.
And you think this is the truth?
And that is the truth. Abagi.
This meal is very delicious.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm sure you are going to be making this kind of meals for my son, for him to grow fatter than this.
I'll try my best, Mama.
Only.
Don't mind my mother. I'm very okay like this. No. Okay.
I didn't say you're not okay, but you need to add a little bit. Just small.
Anything, add again. Next thing you see is my stomach.
I'm not going to complain.
Njoko.
Mama, you know him?
Yes, I do.
Obidia. So your son has been the one spoiling my daughter. Officer, what are you still waiting for? Get him arrested.
No.
Take him away.
He's not going anywhere. If you have to take him, you have to kill me first.
Madam, don't let us use force on you. Lead the way. Oh yeah, move in.
My lord.
Njoko,
move. I'll go.
So you're doing this to me? Njoko, you're doing this to my only son?
Next time you learn how to raise your son properly. And as for you, move it!
Move where?
I said move it!
Mama, I'm not going anywhere.
Don't make me do something I will regret. I said move it! Odo yewo, Odo minko, Odo meisai, Odo prima, Odo nibwae. Oh yeah, move it! On our building yoga, executive food. Oh, for Choiri. Let's go home.
You don't get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter
nothing will happen to my son.
Hey. You no get conscience at all. Okay. You no one know how your daughter they feel. If na cry, may she cry. If na die, may she die. I wonder whether na your blood though she be. Is it wrong to fall in love? Is it wrong to find all missing ribs? I can see a crime in this. Leave us alone, leave us in peace.
No, Mom. It's okay, stop crying. I have told you, I will tell your father. He will call DPO for them to release him first thing tomorrow morning. Wipe your tears, okay?
Why is Papa Benson making my life miserable? Why, Mama? He has practically controlled everything about my life since I was a child. Because of men, Papa did not allow me to go to the university like my mates too. Okay, now the only man in my life that I love is rotting in the cell because of me. Why is Papa doing all this to me? What have I done to deserve this from him? Am I not old enough?
It's okay, my daughter. I understand how you feel, believe me. I do. But you have to remember that your father is doing all this just for your own good.
Stop it, Mama! For my own good! And the love of my life is out there! You call it for my own good, Mama!
It's okay, Nem. Huh? You know you have not eaten. Let's go inside so that you
Mama,
can
leave me alone. I don't want to eat. I'm not going anywhere, Mama.
It's okay, Nem. Huh? You know you have not eaten. Let's go inside so that you can
Mama, leave me alone. I don't want to eat. I'm not going anywhere, Mama.
Leave us alone, leave us in peace. Do we really deserve peace? What have we done wrong to you?
Let's do cheese! Say cheese! Cheese! Let's bring our dogs. Alright. It's not like that. Like this. It's not like that. Say like this.
People are here taking self-up, yeah?
Amara! Where have you been? We've been first group Nigerians in this safe like thank you.
You don't know what happened.
Hey! What happened?
Meiji was arrested by Akoke's father. And Akeke stabbed herself. They rushed her to the hospital. I don't even know if she's going to survive it because the way the thing there, all the much.
Yay!
Don't even know if she's going to survive. Me, I'm even scared safe. Because
I knew it. I knew that girl Akeke is very stupid to have done something like that. Hey! Everybody win! Afrime rum! I know that a day like this will come. Okay. Yes! If that girl could go to an extent of giving a man, what can she not do? She can't do anything. Hey!
Hey! Wonder shall never end. How can she just stab herself just because of a man? Why?
You see why education and civilization is very good in our society. Come on. Which graduate on her normal senses will stab herself, killing herself because of a man in this village? When we have 1,001 rich cute guys in the city where I came from. I don't get it. Please. Who wants to follow me to the city? Follow you girls. Me, I'm going with you. Yes. My hands are up. I am ready. I'll take you girls with me. Look at us. Selfie time. Yes.
You will show them the city. Show them the city.
Yeah! I'll take you guys. That girl is so annoying. Can she kill herself?
Father, I don't want anything to happen to my only son. I cannot fight this battle, please. Come and fight for me.
This is the only road we can go.
Okay. You can't hear this in the morning.
Mama, I didn't sleep through the night, knowing that the only man after my heart is at the police net.
Oh. My son has never visited police station before. Let alone sleeping in the cell. I wish his father was still alive. All these things wouldn't have happened. Njoko, after all I did for you, this is what you're using to pay me back. You have the mind to arrest my only son. My only child for that matter.
Now that you made mention of it, please tell me, how well do you know my daddy?
My leg! Hey! There was snake! 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 Hey! Somebody help me! Oh! Somebody help me! Hey! Hey! My leg! My leg! My leg!
Hey, snake! Oh!
Snake!
Snake!
Easy, easy, easy. Oh, hey, easy, 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 please. Hey, hey, hey. I want a woman. Hey, I wake up, woman. I beg you, Mama. Yeah, no, I want a woman. Agwo, snake.
Sorry, eh?
Snake, you! Wait.
My name is Obidia.
I am Jok. I want to thank you for saving me from that poisonous snake bite. God will continue to bless you abundantly.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You'll be fine, okay?
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Huh? same man I saved his life. It's the same man that wants my son Odumeje dead.
What a life we're born into. Mama, please stop crying. Nothing will happen to him. Odumeje is a strong man. He will pull through.
I've heard what you said. You can start going now. Oh? Your parents will be looking for you. I'll be fine.
Mama, I don't want to go back to that house. I'd rather remain here with you for now.
Mbano, that will make the case worse. I don't want more of your father's trouble. I can see you off if you want.
No, Mama. Don't stress yourself. It's okay. I'll go.
Okay.
Mama, please stop crying. Take care of yourself, Mama.
Mama, stay away from me. Your knife. Please. My daughter, please. Mama, stay away from me. Please.
I'm the one knife too. And I promise you, your man will release.
Papa, how could you be so mean and wicked? How could you be heartless, Papa? You went ahead to arrest him, even when you know he was the son of a woman who saved you when you were bitten by a dangerous poisonous snake. Papa, you're so mean and heartless. What wicked! Was Dumeje's mother the same woman you told me that saved your life?
Yes, but that's not the good reason for her poor son to have an affair with my daughter. My only daughter. I need a rich son-in-law, not a loaf.
You need a rich son-in-law, Papa. Let me see, I'm going to end everything. Let me know how you take your daughter to marry a rich man. Papa, stay away!
Tell me that this news that I'm yarning is true. Somebody told me that they arrested Odumeje, my very good friend, yesterday.
Hey, Mama, what you heard is true. Odumeje has been in the police custody since yesterday.
On what offense? Can your committee?
My dear, Njoko, Akechi's father arrested him because he wants him to leave his daughter alone.
In Agbana.
That is why I want to be a barrister. Mama,
the Oya can madness in higher level. So this kind of case still exists in this village. Maka why?
If you ask me, who will I ask? The worst part is that I don't even know the police station they took him to. Rather than I know the Njoku's house.
Yes, Njoku? Babi. Njoku boke Ghana.
Ime?
Let's go.
Ime?
Yes.
That means you're taking me there.
it wrong to find your missing ribs? I can see your crime in this. Leave us alone, leave us in peace.
Mama, this is the house.
Why are you gathered here?
What is happening?
Okeke stabbed herself and has been rushed to the hospital.
Oh, baby.
Why did she stab herself?
Mama, because the father refused to go release the man she loves from the police station.
Which hospital?
I know the hospital. There is only one major hospital here in our village. The rest are clinics, unless they took her to the city, which is not likely because of her state.
Mama.
Somebody should come and take us there.
Would you? Go home and tell Mama about what happened, eh? I want to go and check her condition. Okay, I'm coming back. Let's go.
Is it wrong to fall in love? Is it wrong to find your missing ribs? I can see your crime in this.
She's awake, thank God. Doctor.
My love, where are you? Where are you? Please come and hold me.
What have you come here to do? Eh? Your useless son has succeeded in making my only daughter to take her own life. Eh? Did you come to confirm her death? Olivia?
No. Where is she? How is her condition now?
Don't you ask me useless and stupid question. Eh? Doctor. Please, how is she? Do you think she'll survive?
Well, she's very lucky to have been rushed in on time. She actually lost a lot of blood, but we'll try our possible best to make sure she survives. One more thing, Mr. Njoko. Are you aware your daughter is still pregnant?
Very bad. Doctor, I'm sorry. I'm not aware of that.
Well, your daughter is 2 weeks pregnant, and the good news is that the fetus is not affected at all, which is a very good news, and that the baby is not affected at all. It's in a very good condition.
Doctor, she's awake.
Excuse me.
Doctor, can we go and see her?
So you're happy now? Your son has gotten my only daughter pregnant. I will make sure he will rot in jail. That I can assure him.
Please, have mercy on him. He's my only son, please.
Meiji, my love, where are you? Meiji, where are you? Please come and hold me.
Doctor, this is the same name she has been calling since you woke up.
This is serious. My dear, I am a doctor, okay? But don't worry, just hold. I'll get Dumeje for you.
Okay, thank you.
Nurse, please take good care of her. Let me get Dumeje. I'll be right back.
Don't worry. Dumeje will soon be with you here.
Thank you.
He will soon be here.
Mr. Joko, the daughter has regained consciousness.
Thank God.
But she needs to see Dumeje. Who is Dumeje?
Dumeje is not here.
Mr. Joko, I am really sorry. But you need to send for him immediately so that he can come. She needs his presence to stay alive. As you know, she just returned from coma, except you want her to go back to coma and never return. So please, if you don't mind, I have other patients to attend to. Excuse me.
Woman, so your daughter still mentions that name even after regaining consciousness?
Please,
You heard what the doctor just said. No, please, I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. Remember, she's our only daughter. I don't want her dead. Please, call the DPO. Let them release him so that he can come here as soon as possible for our daughter to be alive for night. Because night. I'm going to know how to follow my word. Because no follow my word. Because no tino my God, I want to thank you. Please, night. Night. Because
It's okay, Edo. Stand up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello? Yeah, Mr. DPO. I am calling for you to please release that young man under your custody. Major. As a matter of fact, I want him to report at Duval Hospital immediately. Yes, my daughter is in a critical condition, and he is the only one that can make her stay alive. Don't worry. I will make some money available to you as soon as I leave the hospital. Thank you, DPO. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Your son will soon be here very soon.
Thank you, Nai.
Is coming. The doctor has gone to call him.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course, he's coming. He will soon be here. Just exercise a little patience. Okay? Let me go and check if he's here. Okay.
Okay. You're welcome.
How is she? I don't know. Where is she?
Is he in Nigeria?
Yes, I'm Nigeria. No, what's happening? Oh, she's okay.
My daughter stabbed herself with a knife.
Jesus Christ.
Because her father refused to tell you from policemen.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, she's okay. Oh, she's still alive. Can I see her?
Nurse, can we go to see her?
Yes, you can. But certainly not all of you. Because the ward she is cannot accommodate all of you.
So what do we do?
Don't worry, we should go. I'll stay with Mama.
Yes, let's go.
My love.
Oh, babe. Is that you?
Yes, it's me. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better because you're here. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Adamma, my priceless jewel. How are you doing?
Mama, I'm feeling better because Obeme is here.
Please be strong for your mother. Please, you know I love you.
I'll be fine, Mama.
I called this meeting because I have some important things to say. But before I proceed, I would like to first of all apologize to Akweke, my daughter, for all the wrong things I have done to her. I know I've always wanted the best for you. And as a father, I feel like I pushed you too much. Even though I wanted you to marry a rich man, I just realized that love conquers everything. Any marriage not based on love is like an exercise in futility. It is because of love that your mother and I are still living together happily ever after. So, I want you to find it in your heart to forgive me. Forgive your ignorant father.
It's okay, Papa. I forgive you.
Toby dear, please, I also apologize to you and your son, Uche, for all that I put you through.
It's okay, Mazin Joko. I hold nothing against you.
I'm glad to hear that. Now that we have all forgiven each other, let me go ahead and break the good news. Uche, I hereby give you 100% permission to marry my daughter.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma.
Furthermore, I spoke with Akweke's elder brother, my son who is based in Ghana. He also gave his consent. At the same time, he wants you to come to Ghana so you can join him in his line of business. To be able to raise money for your traditional marriage.
Hey, that would be good.
In addition to that, I will give you 2 million naira to support your business.
Thank you, Mazin Joko, for wiping away my tears.
Papa, thank you so much. Thank you, Papa.
Hey. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It is well. It is well.
Ọdún yẹ̀wò, ọdún mi ńkọ́, ọdún mẹ́sàáì, ọdún pírímà, ọdún lórí ìwà.